ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that is designed to understand natural language and engage in conversation with humans. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This refers to the specific architecture and training method used to create the model. ChatGPT has been trained on massive amounts of text data from various sources and can generate responses based on the context of the conversation. It can answer questions, provide information, and even engage in casual conversation. Conversing with ChatGPT is easy. Simply type in your message or question, and I will generate a response based on what I have learned from my training data. Here are some tips for conversing with me. Start by greeting me or introducing yourself, just as you would when meeting someone new. Ask me a question or give me a topic to discuss. Be as specific or general as you like. Read my response and continue the conversation based on what I say. You can ask follow-up questions, provide additional information, or simply respond to what I say. Keep the conversation going as long as you like. I can continue to generate responses as long as you have something to say. There are several advantages to using ChatGPT. Accessibility. ChatGPT is available 24/7 and can be accessed from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This makes it easy for people to get information and assistance at any time of day, without having to wait for business hours or navigate phone menus. Efficiency. ChatGPT can handle multiple conversations at once, which means that you can get a response quickly without having to wait in line or on hold. This can save you time and help you get the information you need more efficiently. Consistency. ChatGPT provides consistent responses, regardless of the time of day or the operator handling the conversation. This ensures that everyone gets the same level of service and information, which can help to build trust and confidence in the system. Scale. ChatGPT can handle a large volume of conversations simultaneously, which makes it scalable and able to handle increased demand. This can be useful in situations where there is a sudden influx of inquiries, such as during a crisis or emergency. Learning and improvement. ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving based on the conversations it has. This means that it can provide better responses over time and adapt to changing circumstances or trends. While there are many advantages to using ChatGPT, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. Lack of empathy. ChatGPT is a machine and does not have the ability to empathize with users. This means that it may not always be able to provide the same level of emotional support as a human operator. Limitations in understanding context. While ChatGPT is trained to understand natural language, it may struggle to understand the nuances of a conversation or the context in which a question is being asked. This can lead to misunderstandings or inaccurate responses. Dependence on training data. ChatGPT's responses are based on the training data it has been fed, which means that it may have biases or gaps in knowledge based on the quality and scope of that data. This can lead to inaccurate or incomplete information being provided. Security and privacy concerns. ChatGPT may collect user data in order to improve its responses, which raises concerns about security and privacy. Organizations using ChatGPT must take steps to protect user data and ensure that it is not used for unauthorized purposes. Limited creativity. ChatGPT generates responses based on the patterns it has learned from its training data. While it can be creative to some extent, it may not be able to generate truly original or innovative responses. ChatGPT has security measures in place to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access or use. However, like any technology, there is always a risk of security vulnerabilities or breaches. ChatGPT's security measures include encryption of data, access controls, and regular security audits to identify and address potential issues. OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, is committed to the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies, including taking steps to ensure the security and privacy of user data. That being said, the security of any AI system depends on how it is implemented and used. Organizations using ChatGPT must take steps to protect user data, such as implementing strong access controls, monitoring for unauthorized access, and regularly updating and patching the system to address known vulnerabilities. In summary, ChatGPT is designed with security in mind, but it is ultimately up to the organizations using the system to ensure that it is implemented and used securely.